Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Amy here. So today I have another bag unboxing video for you guys. This bag was kind of unexpected. Like, I did not expect to purchase this at all just because of how difficult it is to get it, and it was always sold out online. But I know I love this bag from the first time I saw it. So I guess love at first sight, I guess you can say. So yeah, I'm just so excited to be unboxing this one with you guys because I'm really into small purses and mini purses, so this one is kind of perfect for me. And I actually saw on websites that the resale value for this purse is actually higher than retail value. So if you guys see this purse in your local LV store, I would definitely recommend getting it. So let's not waste any more time and let's get started. Alright, so I have the Louis Vuitton bag right here. This bag can actually fit the whole screen. And inside, I have this lovely Louis Vuitton box. Ta-da! It is right here. I am so excited, guys. Like, this bag is just a dream come true for me to get it. So let's now unwrap this baby. And this one, it's not one of those magnetic boxes, it's actually one of those pulling ones. So I actually find these type of boxes more difficult to open up than the ones that are magnetic. Okay, and we have our Louis all wrapped up right here. And it's a very small bag, but you guys know what it is. And ta-da! Oh my god! It is the Louis Vuitton Nano Speedy in monogram. Oh my gosh, guys. Let me just take a moment to really just appreciate how pretty this little bag is. Isn't just this the most adorable little purse you have ever seen? I'm just so grateful I'm able to get my hand on this bag. So little backstory on this, I actually went into Louis Vuitton to buy a present for my mom, and then I ended up purchasing a multi-pochette for myself just because I always liked that bag. I thought I liked that bag, and then after a couple days, I just decided that bag was not for myself. So I went back to the store to return my multi-pochette, but I was not really looking for anything in particular that day. But I guess you can call it faith or you can call it luck, because this bag just popped up on my mind. I was like, what the heck? Let's just try out our luck and see if they have a Nano Speedy. So I called the client services and they told us that, you know, they have very limited quantities at the store that I was at. So then I went in to ask my SA and she was like, okay, we have one more of this left, and she pulled it out and I was like, oh my god. Like, that was literally the first time I've ever laid eyes on this bag in person, and I was in love and I knew I needed to get it. This bag retails for $11.80 US. So I don't think it's that bad for a Louis bag because this purse was so hard to get. I was on their website before and they're always sold out. I guess I just got this purse by luck. Like, I wasn't really looking for it, but I'm very, very happy that I did. So let's take a closer look at this purse right here. It is just their classic monogram canvas. Canvas is actually one piece all around. So if you see this side, the LV is standing right side up, and the other side is actually upside down. So I thought that was a really cool touch to this bag. And this one has some piping on the side right here. And obviously they're famous for shutter leather. I'm not a big fan of this type of leather because I know it would darken as I wear it more often. So I'm planning to purchase Apple Guard spray for this bag because I want to be more carefree when I'm wearing this around. If you guys love this bag, you will know that the strap is actually undetachable. So that is just one of the biggest cons about this bag, because sometimes I would love to just wear it as a top handle bag without, you know, this long strap dangling around. So right here on top, we just have the gold zipper. And don't underestimate the things that this bag can hold, because it will surprise you on how much this little purse can actually hold. And when we open this up, it's just this one big spacious compartment inside. There's no dividers, there's no different compartments. But I'm pretty sure you can purchase one of the organizers for your bag, which I'm planning to do because I think that will help hold up the shape so much better. So we just have our Louis Vuitton tag right here. This one is made in Paris. This one is made in France, sorry. And I guess if the strap really bothers you a lot, let me try and put this inside the bag if you just want to wear this as a top handle bag. I guess you can definitely do that. Just stuck this strap inside the bag, but obviously that's just, you know, it kind of compromised your space a lot. Like you wouldn't be able to put much in there. I mean, maybe you can put your keys, your lipstick. But I just thought it looked so much cuter if I just have it as like a mini. It's like kind of like a mini luggage, I guess, in a way. Because I think this bag would look so cute if I have a gold chain, which I actually purchased one from Amazon. It's this gold chain strap right here. It's very short, so you can use it as a top handle bag. And this chain obviously is not the Louis Vuitton one. It's so much thicker than the original Louis one. Okay, so I guess the gold chain is actually redundant because you already have a top handle for this bag, but this chain would look so nice if you have like a Louis Vuitton pochette, accessories, or something like that. Alright, so now let's see what actually fits inside this purse. So first I'm gonna put my wallet. This one will fit. I wanted to put it kind of as like a base. It takes a little bit of wiggling to put your stuff in this bag because the opening is not wide enough. But I just put my wallet on the bottom right there. And my keys. And my phone. I have the iPhone 8 Plus. Again, I really have to wiggle this to try and fit this inside. So now my phone is also in there. A lip gloss, my mini blush, some AirPods, my USB charger. It's actually pretty full right now, but I still have some room to put other knickknacks in there. But this is basically, you know, all my essentials that I carry. It's not that heavy, it's manageable. Ta-da! We just have our Nano Speedy. We're trying to wear a crossbody for you guys. So yeah, this kind of hits me right at my hips. So I thought that is a pretty good length if I want to wear this crossbody. So that's it for you guys. It's my unboxing video. I hope you guys enjoyed that video and found it somewhat helpful if you decide to get this purse. And don't forget to show some support by commenting, liking, and subscribing. And I will see you guys next time. Bye guys!